This is how you make her want you more and more. Listen, it's no secret that women want to be with the boss. They want to be with the hero. And you may not realize that you actually can be a hero, but maybe you've got to roll up your sleeves and start paying attention to certain areas in your life. And I want to empower you with that with my program called Become the Damn Hero. This is a training series that's really going to champion you, that's going to awaken some dormant, sleeping areas in your life to shake you up and go, hey man, there's more to you. There's more than meets the eye. We all have to go on that hero's journey. And when you go on that hero's journey, not only are you going to champion yourself and respect and value yourself, but she is going to respect you and want you more and more as you appear to be the hero in her life. Think about it. Every guy who is accomplishing something great in the world, whether it's a president, whether it's a guy who's winning on a sports team, whether it's a guy who's excelling in his company, there is something about that guy that just is so sexy to her. She's like, this guy is going places. He's doing something, and damn, I just want to be with him more and more and more. And you may be thinking like, Arica, I don't know if I can be that guy. The reality is, yes, there are areas in your life that you can be excelling in that will really inspire her. I highly encourage you, share what you're doing in your life with her, whether it's, it's building a home, whether it's tackling a physical goal, whether it's changing careers or trying to make more money, whatever it is that you are doing, you want to share that with her. Why? Because you want her to see you as a champion. You want her to see you as a man who is going places, who is doing something in his life, who is the cause over the effects of his life, that he is a mover and shaker of his life. When she sees that, when she's inspired by your action, when she's inspired by the things that you are doing in your life, she can't help but want to be with you more and more and more. But you have got to wake up and start realizing that there are areas in your life where you are the hero, and there may be areas in your life, I'll be very honest, that you need to start growing in, that you need to up level in, that maybe you've become complacent, maybe you've buried your head in the sand and you said, I'll deal with that tomorrow. No, now is the day that you deal with it, because when a woman sees you taking action, when she sees that there's a problem and you tackle it right away, this shows her that you're in the driver's seat of your life and she can trust you with her life, her heart, and her body. But she must be inspired by what you are currently doing in your life now. So if you need to be champion, trust me, you want to get a hold of Become the Damn Hero. It's completely free. It's going to inspire you. It's going to invigorate you. It's going to light a fire under your ass. And she needs to see that fire. She needs to feel that fire from you. And when that fire is burning, she is going to want you more and more and more. But it's up to you to go on that hero's journey. And it's up to you to begin to share with her the things that you were passionate about in your life, the things that you were taking action and you were accomplishing in your life today. I'll see you inside of that program. I love you so much. See you soon. Take care. Bye.